Cause Effective has been a leader in the capacity-building ecosystem for 4 decades, partnering with over 7,000 organizations to support fundraising and board governance. In 2020, when the COVID pandemic hit, Cause Effective made the difficult decision to close our Manhattan office after 20 years and pivoted virtually to continue offering programming and consulting services to nonprofits on the front lines of social justice causes and human rights issues. Like many people working in the nonprofit sector, we felt moments of uncertainty and fear as the world experienced the biggest health crisis in 100 years. COVID widened racial inequalities in education, healthcare, and the workforce. COVID revealed the socioeconomic disparities that nonprofit organizations have worked to address for decades. Then the world erupted in protest after the murder of George Floyd, and Cause Effective experienced a profound uptake of requests from organizations seeking assistance to re-examine their vision and mission, and to elevate racial justice and equity in their communication and fundraising strategies. We made shifts to expand and deepen our work with nonprofit organizations to help them meet the needs of communities. Cause Effective evolved into communications and strategic planning as service offerings, and we expanded the Preparing the Next Generation initiative. Preparing the Next Generation has provided cohort programming to over 200 BIPOC nonprofit leaders, now reaching BIPOC leaders around the country. As Cause Effective takes in the severity of issues in this country and throughout the world, we will approach this next chapter by strategically expanding our program and consulting model to activate nonprofit thrivability. The Cause Effective Thrivability model is a framework that elevates and cultivates a humanistic approach. Cause Effective aims to work with the whole person to build confidence and strengthen their leadership and management practices, with an emphasis on identity, collaboration, allyship, and equitable partnerships to help organizations effectively increase their organization's visibility, engagement, and financial support. Cause Effective has identified 5 thrivability pillars that are fundamental to helping organizations move towards thrivability. Our Thrivability pillars provide a framework that will intersect with work in the areas of fundraising, communications, and board governance. Identity. Cause Effective will partner with key staff and board members to help them align their values and purpose, which is key to strengthening the organization's culture, voice, and position for growth and thrivability. Cause Effective understands that diversity, equity, and inclusion are critical to activating thrivability. Collaboration and allyship to fuel social justice and equity. Cause Effective will provide strategic guidance to help organizations work in collaboration and create allyship with diverse audiences, which is how social change movements have been impactful throughout history. Philanthropic education. Cause Effective will guide nonprofit leaders to elevate their voice and shift the power imbalance in philanthropy when cultivating partnerships with donors and funders, and we will provide guidance to advocate for equal access and opportunity. The power of transformational partnerships. Cause Effective will work with nonprofit leaders to help them execute strategies to cultivate donor and funder relationships that are based in equity, shared purpose, and commitment to vision and mission, and long-term partnerships that lead to social impact and organizational growth.